Yeah, hi, good morning, friends. Good evening, good night. So, thank you. I'm again back with new topic, which is what is static route and how to configure the static route. First, we need to understand why this term is using a static route and how to configure the static route. See, in network terminology, we have two different type of routing. One is static routing, one is dynamic routing. So today we are going to discuss only static route. So what is the major difference between static route? As the name is showing, static we need to configure routing manually in each and every router. With a dynamic we can configure in one router. By default the other router will get updates, routing update by dynamic. But static routing is much faster than dynamic routing protocol. We are going to discuss this. But first basic topic is how we can configure the static route. So let's start this topic from router. So here this is lab which I configure here. One route I am taking the location, like suppose my one location is UK, another location is Australia, one location in India. So as it is showing that my IPs are 1.1.1.1 for UK, Australia IP is 1.1.2. And 2.2.2.2 for Australia, India. So I want to reach from UK to India. I will show you. I have created some sub interface to provide the LAN reachability also. But let first show me the configuration UK, Australia and India. It will give you more clarity what I am going to configure and how we need to configure. So friend, this is my Australia router where as per the design. So when I'm checking, I just configure two things in this router. One is 1.1 point to point IPs, 1.2.2. Which is my 1.1 and 2.2. Okay, this is for my Australia configuration. When I'm checking show IP route, so I am learning connected interface. This is showing statically just like connected. What I configure in the interface, it is showing me as a connected. So let me show you the other router also. Yeah friend, this is my another router, India router. When I'm checking the show IP brief, you can find here I created the sub interface so that I need to show that how the LAN reachability will build. So this is my sub interface and this is my point to point interface, which is show an interface Fortinet 0/0. It will show the point. So this is my Australia router. This is my India router. I'm showing my third router, which is a so yeah, this is my third router, which is UK router. So I also created sub interface here and I configure this IP. Why I created sub interface here? Instead of adding switch or any machine, better I will configure my sub interface when trying to ping from 112 to this IP. So India IP show an interface faster 0/0/0/0.20. So I need to ping. You can give this IP to any server also, but here I can to save some time instead of configuration of switch, better I can ping point to point. Now see guys, if I'm trying to ping 192.168.20.1 from UK to this one India, I am not able to ping that one. So we can sort this issue with the help of static routing. So let's configure the static routing, how we can configure then everything. So let again go through the diagram so that you guys, so my objective is I want to ping from UK, from where I need to ping to India, which I already show you that I already created a sub interface so that that this IP should be reachable. Okay, let me log into first UK router and configure the static route. Thank you. Yeah, so see that on my UK router from where I want to reach the India. So UK router, again the IP, I want to show you the 111 where my LAN is this one, 1.1, where the I want to reach India where my uh, point-to-point interface is 2.2.2 and my LAN IP is 20.1. Okay, let's see, because I'm trying to ping 192.168.20.1 from my UK to India. See, I am not able to ping. So okay, let me show you one more thing where the static by default point to point you don't need to configure anything. If I am trying to ping from UK to Australia where I have direct connectivity, so if I'm trying to ping 1.1.1.2, I am able to ping without any route. When I check in the show IP route, see, show IP route will show the connected interfaces. See, both the route, show IP route in the Australia also, it will show me connected interfaces. No static route is there, show IP route. If I'm showing India, it is also showing connected. Now what I need to do now? Now I need to reach this 2.2.1 from my UK router. Let me try to ping first 2.2.2.1. I am not able to reach because this router don't know any route about 2.2. So what I need to do? So in static route you always need to configure your routing toward the next hop. So what is my next hop? My next hop IP is this one. So let me show you. Okay, config t IP route. If I want to reach 2.2.2.0, I am using 252.525.252. My next hop will be 1.1.2. I can name it like my this is Australia. Okay, now let's see I am able to ping or not, but I think we can't ping now, but let me see. Yes, but it is pinging. Okay, it is pinging, but if I'm trying to ping from my source, that time 192.168.1.1, it is not pinging because this router here, when I'm checking the routing table, see this is very when you're doing a troubleshooting when network is very, when you see the show IP route, see the what route you are learning, you only learning this one. Okay, you are only learning this one, and what this show. So he also so this is we are advertising here that okay, my next hop is this one 1.1.1.1 and 2.2.2. if I want the send a request, but it will be sent to next hop. This is the configuration which I did. When I check the show IP route with the pipeline, it will show when I want to go 2.2.2, it it will go via 1 by 1.2. So 1.1.2 is my this interface, but see my LAN interface, if I'm checking this one, my LAN interface IP 1.1.1.1, this router don't know anything about this. So what I need to do, I want the reverse route. So many times this is a big issue when people are not troubleshooting, not learning route because their reverse route is missing. So show IP route, I am putting reverse route, I am defining that I am getting this subnet from UK. So what is the UK point to point IP? This one. So I name it UK for the. So let me try this time I am able to ping or not. When I'm pinging with the source, see it's pinging now. And when I see the routing table here, see the routing table here, it will show what route we are learning, and especially in the Australia router, show IP route, when I do, it will show the 192.168 here. It means this router is learning this route. Now we already hand over this route from UK to Australia. Now we need, our target is so that this route will reach to India and India can ping that. So what is the point to point IP for India? Let me see. So I am saying the point to point IP India is 2.2.2. I am trying to ping 2.2.2.2 from UK first. It's not pinging. But when I am trying to do ping from 2.2.2.2, it also not pinging. I think that my interface is shut down or something is wrong configuration. Let me check show IP in brief. So see, so when I'm trying to ping point to point from Australia to India, see it is pinging. But when I'm trying to ping from here, like from my UK, it's not pinging because this router is not forwarding this request UK to here, but this router is able to ping point to point from here to here. But what we need to do? Okay, because we already added route here, so we already defined the route that if you want to go to you can go to Australia. Now Australia also need to define this. If you need to ping 2.2. Network on the other end, is there should you need to go to my next hop, which is 2.2.2.2. Let's see guys if I am able to ping or not, but it can't ping because still I know it can't ping. There is a reason, because this router is not don't know anything. When I'm checking this routing table, it will still, I put the route, but see I put the route but still static, it is still showing connected interface, so I don't require route. Why I put the route, I want to show you, if you configure the static route also, but still they are getting the connected route which we are getting default by the interface. Now come to this now I need to define. Okay, let me define here. I'm checking that okay, I am in India. I want to reach these subnets. This subnet 1.1.1. So I am here defining the, if I need a 1.1.0 network from 255.255.252, but what is my next hop? My next hop is, if I can check the Australia one, my next hop is 2.2.1. So I am putting okay, I need to go to India. My next hop is this one, so I am putting India. So let's see if I am able to ping or not. First thing is, see I am able to ping. Let's see now, this is another subnet 192.168. I am able to ping 192.168.1.1. No, because when I'm checking this India routing table, it will not show me the 1.1.1, oh sorry, 192.168.1.1. Let me just show IP route. When I'm checking, I don't have. Now I need to define. Okay, I want to go new route, IP route 192.168.1.0/255.255.255.0. What is my next hop? Again my next hop is same, path is same, I am putting India. Okay, let's see if I am able to ping or not. There's still, see I am able to ping. When I'm checking on my routing table, see my routing table is showing that if you want to go 192.168.1.0, it will go to directly. Now see there is one more subnet is showing here. Let me go in India. Now we are able to reach India from India to UK, but are we able to reach this 20 IP 192.168 from UK? Let me ping 192.168.20.1. No. Why not? Because this we don't have route configure route here. We don't tell the path to this router. Okay, if you want to go, what is the next stop? So let me do that one also. IP route 192.168.20.0.255.255.255.0. My what is my next stop? My next stop is 1.1.2 Australia. I'm named the path. IP route. Sorry, the mistake. .0 and 1.1.1.2. Name it as Australia path. We are handovering to Australia. Still, are we able to ping? Let's see. No. 20.1. No. See, it's showing unreachable. Why it's showing unreachable? So let me debug here for troubleshooting. Debug IP ICMP. I just own it. So let me try to ping this route here. It is showing me unreachable. Why it is showing unreachable? Because this router don't know that this subnet is also coming, because you see we don't have route for subnet. Show IP route. Okay, so when I'm checking, there is no route. There is no route for, so I need to define. Okay boss, if you want to go to 192.168.20.0 network, you can go to India by this path. So what is my next stop? My next stop is 2.2.2. so let me see if I am able to ping. Yes, I am able to ping. Now see, I am also getting the logs. So this is all about the static route. Here the static route metric value, when you see sometimes people ask what is the metric value of static. So we have two metric value of static. One, the connected is 0, or some people say 1. Both are correct, because when they connect to next top device, the metric value change to 1. So that's it's from my side for only basic static routing. I hope I will make more and more video, but I need you guys your support for more subscription. Please subscribe my channel so that I will make more video. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you.